Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today class will be held on BGS chapter 3. Today's class will be on BGS chapter 3, topic Bangladesh in the global, and this is the second class. So from question 22 will be solved today. Number 22. In which industry Bangladesh has gone forward, advanced? In which industry Bangladesh has gone forward? That means Bangladesh has got success, got advanced. In garments industry, Bangladesh has gone forward. 23. Where is the holy place of Buddhists situated? Where is the holy place of Buddhist situated? The holy place of Buddhist situated in Buddha Goa. Where is the holy place of Buddhist situated? The holy place of Buddhist situated in Buddha Gaya. 24. Where in Asia is Buddha Gaya situated? Where in Asia is Buddha Gaya situated? Buddha Gaya is situated in India. Buddha Gaya is situated in India. Question 25. Which ocean is situated to the south of Asia continent? Which ocean is situated to the south of Asia continent? The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is situated to the south of Asian continent. The Indian Ocean is situated to the south of Asia continent. Then question number 26. Which country is called the country of rising sun? Which country is called the country of rising sun? Japan is called the country of rising sun. Japan is called the country of the rising sun. 27. In which side of Bangladesh there is a little boundary with Myanmar? In which side of Bangladesh there is a little boundary with Myanmar? Answer. In the southeast of Bangladesh there is a little boundary with Myanmar. In the southeast side of Bangladesh, there is a little boundary with Myanmar. 28. With what the soil of Bangladesh has been formed? With what the soil of Bangladesh has been formed? The soil of Bangladesh, answer. The soil of Bangladesh has been formed with silt. The soil of Bangladesh has been formed with silt. 29. Where are the sources of most of the rivers of Bangladesh? Where are the sources of most of the rivers of Bangladesh? Most of the rivers of Bangladesh are from India. Most of the rivers of Bangladesh are from India. Most of the rivers of Bangladesh are sources of India. 30. What is the longest sea beach of the world? What is the longest sea beach of the world? The longest sea beach of the world is Cox's Bazar. The longest sea beach of the world is Cox's Bazar. 31. In which country the largest mangrove forest of the world is situated? In which country the largest mangrove forest of the world is situated? Answer. The largest mangrove forest of the world is situated in Bangladesh. It will be Bangladesh. The largest mangrove forest, that means Sundarban, is situated in Bangladesh. 32. In which district Tajingdong is situated. The highest peak of Bangladesh, Tajingdong, the highest peak of Bangladesh. In which district Tajingdong is situated? Tajingdong is situated in Bandarban district. In Bandarban. Tajingdong is situated in Bandarban. 33. What is the area of Bangladesh? What is the area of Bangladesh? The area of Bangladesh is 1,47,570 square kilometers. 1,47,570 square kilometers. Question number 34. Which is the densely populated country in the world? Which is the densely populated country of the world? The densely populated country of the world is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is the mostly populated country of the world. 35. Which is the largest ocean of the world? Which is the largest ocean in the world? Answer: the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the world. The Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the world. 36. Who had given the name of the Pacific Ocean? Who has given the name of the Pacific Ocean? Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan had given the name of the Pacific Ocean. Ferdinand Magellan had given the name of the Pacific Ocean. Next, 37. Which is situated to the south of Bangladesh? To the south of Bangladesh. Which is situated to the south of Bangladesh? Very important thing, and that is the Bay of Bengal. The Bay of Bengal is situated to the south of Bangladesh. The Bay of Bengal is situated to the south of Bangladesh. 38. In which country the island Sumatra, very important island Sumatra, is situated? In which country the island Sumatra is situated? The island Sumatra is situated in Indonesia. Answer: Indonesia. The island Sumatra is situated in Indonesia. 39. Which is the only coral island of Bangladesh? Only coral island of Bangladesh. Only one. Which is the only coral island of Bangladesh? And that will be Saint Martin. Saint Martin is the only coral island of Bangladesh. Saint Martin, only coral island of Bangladesh. Saint Martin. 40. In which sea Saint Martin is situated? In which sea Saint Martin is situated? Saint Martin is situated in the Bay of Bengal. In the Bay of Bengal. Saint Martin is situated in the Bay of Bengal. 41. Where oyster industry has developed? Where oyster industry has developed? Oyster industry has developed in Cox's Bazar. In Cox's Bazar. It will be Cox's Bazar. 42. Which is the biggest lagoon of the world? Biggest lagoon of the world. Which is the biggest lagoon of the world? The biggest lagoon of the world. The biggest lagoon of the world is the Caspian Sea. The Caspian Sea. The Caspian Sea is the biggest lagoon of the world. 43. Which is the holy place? Which is the holy place for three main religions? Three main religions. Which is the holy place for three main religions? And it will be Jerusalem. Jerusalem. This is the holy place for three main religions. 44. What is the leading paddy producing country in the world? The answer will be China. China is the leading paddy producing country in the world. That means China is in the first position in producing paddy. China is in the first position in producing paddy in the world. 45 and last one. With which countries Bangladesh has sea boundaries? Boundaries. Boundaries. With which countries Bangladesh has sea boundaries? Bangladesh has sea boundaries with India and Myanmar. With India and Myanmar, Bangladesh has sea boundaries. Okay, this is the most important questions on chapter 3 of BGS. So you should read these questions again and again and memorize them properly. Okay, thanks everybody.